So I wanted to share a little bit about the value of clarify and organize and the distinction from capture. So if we think about capture, stuff is coming into inboxes for the most part pretty randomly. I mean, think about email messages and text messages and voicemail messages. It's sort of coming in with this degree of unpredictability about, when it's coming and who it's coming from, where it's coming from, etc. If I just focus on, email is one of those capture buckets, which for a lot of people is a primary one. I really witness kind of on a day-to-day basis the frustrated relationship that people have with their email. And the thing that I really see is that the source of the frustration, it's like the thing we don't have any control over, which is the randomness in which it comes in, and showcases the evidence of how difficult it is to work out of inboxes. It's because of that randomness. The randomness really makes it difficult to prioritize anything. Clients have heard me use this goofy story / metaphor countless times. So, we go to the supermarket, we buy our groceries, we bring them home, we set the bag onto the counter, and then we unpack the groceries, right? Like the milk goes into the refrigerator and the flour goes into the pantry and the soap goes onto the sink. We unpack the stuff and we put things, into their appropriate places so that later on, we're not trying to sift through a bag of groceries when we're trying to make dinner. And I know it's a bit ridiculous and totally silly, but at the same time, that's what we're attempting to do when we're trying to work out of inboxes. We're trying to work out of this kind of sea of stuff to try to find, the thing that's important. So the good news is that, where we actually have a say in this matter is in clarify and organize, and our ability to make decisions about the things coming into those inboxes and organizing them into the appropriate buckets, one at a time. What is this? Is it actionable? Is it something I just need to keep for reference? Is it something I'm waiting for? So that, later on when, say we actually have some space to get work done, our action items are in one place, or, we're getting ready for a meeting and we want to make sure we discuss these certain topics, they're stored safely on our agendas list. So when we start to practice this and we make the space for clarifying, organizing daily, it starts to feel really good. It feels really empowering to know that, that swirl of randomness, can't do anything about it, but I do know how to make decisions about those things, and I know how to put them in appropriate places that do make sense to me, so that later on, I can choose where to put my focus and attention. I hope this helps. Thanks so much.